Hello, my name's Katrina Wagstaff and I'm from the Cornish Funeral Company, which I run with my husband Terry Wagstaff. We've been in business for 4 years now, and we got to the stage that while we're doing well at what we're doing, we felt that we wanted to go to the next stage where we're able to start employing other people and basically taking on more work. After every session I've gone home with my head buzzing, and my husband's like, oh my goodness, now what's going to hit us? So it's helped me to think more broadly. It's been great to hear about other people and other businesses. Obviously we're all doing different businesses, but we have similar problems. And looking at things with a wider, looking outside the box. And I think that's what, it's very difficult. It's very easy when you're on your own in a business to focus only on your business and be inward looking, and this helps you look outward and see that there are a lot of opportunities out there. And yes, it's been, well, inspirational, I would say, to be honest.